our experience with StorageCraft has been phenomenal. From the first contact with Enterprise Systems where we expressed a need for a storage solution. My name is Greg Cannon. I'm the Director of IT here in Grimes County, Texas. We had a major failure in our law enforcement division. We had a storage subsystem that had crashed and we lost about a year's worth of squad car and police body cam videos as part of evidence. It was critical that we got a solution in place that was expandable, flexible, robust, and would protect our data, and was easily able to be set up with WatchGuard, our solution that we use in law enforcement for all of our squad car videos and our body cam videos. Enterprise Systems put us in touch with StorageCraft. They had a demo model that we had implemented within just a day or two. We were very pleased with the test results, and we immediately ordered a complete solution from StorageCraft to replace our storage system at the Sheriff's Department. They worked with us through the whole process. It was very simple to implement StorageCraft. I think from the time the unit arrived till we had it racked with the engineer, had it operational config and was ready to use was less than 1 hour. The cost effectiveness of the solution, we had looked at other solutions from Dell and other providers like HP. Their storage solutions were very expensive, very complex to implement, and we needed a solution that was enterprise class but was easy to implement. We had worked with Enterprise Systems in the past, and they had provided great solutions for our network as well as our telecom, and so it was a perfect fit for us. They knew our environment, they knew our people, so it made the implementation much smoother and much faster. We feel that our protection against ransomware and other attacks has been greatly, our footprint's been greatly reduced. We'll probably even be expanding our StorageCraft solution to other departments in the county, so we feel it's a good fit for us going forward. Much better prepared now working with StorageCraft in the event of a data loss or a ransomware attack because of the storage solution that we have in place. I highly recommend Enterprise Systems and StorageCraft if you have any kind of storage needs. Enterprise Systems has worked with us over the last couple of years and have provided great solutions, and StorageCraft was another example of the expertise that Enterprise Systems have in providing a top-level solution to Grimes County. So I can't say enough about how well StorageCraft has performed as a solution for our data storage and data protection needs, as well as the responsiveness of Enterprise and how well they've put top quality companies and products before us to help us solve our needs.